Hey, hi everyone. It is Wednesday, so you know what that means. We're going to share some wellness tips for you on two of our favorite essential oils, one eucalyptus and the other tangerine. So I'm going to dive right into eucalyptus. All right. It can be found in mouth rinses to freshen breath, which I didn't know, and promote oral health. You could combine eucalyptus with lemon and peppermint in a spray bottle and use it to wipe down surfaces in your kitchen and bathroom. So if you're shopping at retail and you see that the shelves are empty with household cleaning products, go to your toolkit and look for eucalyptus, lemon, and peppermint and make your own bottle. You can add 1 drop to moisturizer and apply to skin for revitalizing benefits. And then when showering, you can put a couple of drops in your hands, place over your nose, and inhale deeply. So I'm going to share a story with you. A little over a year ago, I got really, really sick. It almost felt like the flu, but I never got a fever, just really aches and pains, and it was just, mega head tension, everything. And I was so desperate. I was trying every oil I can think of that was in the books, and I couldn't get any relief with this head tension that I got. So I decided, all right, I'm going to take a bath and soak for 10 minutes, throw in some Epsom salts, and I don't know, a bunch of drops of eucalyptus because it's a tub. And I soaked in for like 10 minutes. And when I got out, I noticed right away the headache, the head tension pretty much went away. And I passed out and slept like a baby for several hours. I want to say 8 hours. And I couldn't get any sleep the night before because of all the aches and pains. So miracle in a bottle. So Chris, tell us a little bit about some wellness benefits of tangerine.
Tangerine's a great one. Honestly, I used it as a substitute. I ran out of citrus bliss and I started using tangerine or the wild orange and stuff. So it was good for me to learn some more about it. It supports the digestive system and metabolism. It's a cleansing, purifying oil. Taken internally, it supports the immune system and the respiratory system. When you diffuse it, it boosts your gives you energy. Energetic feelings, and just boost the mood around the house. So that's always a nice push to the day. Let's see here. Topically, so you can use it topically. And what I was reading about was put it on your flex points and your abdomen. And it promotes happiness. So that was kind of interesting fact. It's a detox cleaner also with the cleansing properties. You can use it as a spray for your countertops and that nice orangey smell. And let's see here. It is one of those that has a skin sensitivity. So be aware if you go out in the sun, if you're using it. That's what I have for tangerine. Like I say, I ran out of citrus bliss once and the wild orange, and I started using tangerine. Absolutely love it. So it's a good oil, not just to be a substitute.
Yeah, absolutely. I have used tangerine and put like a drop in Erica's orange juice in the morning before school, just so her energy and her, she's just a little bit more excited to get to school because nobody wants a cranky kid walking in the class. So I've actually stopped drinking orange juice altogether because of tangerine, because I find it's more refreshing than
Great.
it's not a lot of sugar. So win-win. All right. Well, that's it for us today. Join us next week. And please share with us comments, questions in the comments so we can get the conversation going about these oils, because people who don't use oils make no frankincense. Okay. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.